In 2015, I laid down a massive piece of paper and started tracing a thought. Not a figure or a scene necessarily, but rather a state of mind. The painting behind me is called Mitosis Neurosis. Look closely at the surface. At first glance, it's an explosion of black ink, swirling contour lines, and chaotic repetition. But nothing on this painting is an accident. Every line is fighting for control. The title hints at biological division, but the core of this piece is actually fusion. Look deeper into the line work. During this period, I was obviously obsessed with playing with positive and negative space and constructing figures entirely out of abstraction. The figure isn't painted onto the canvas, your brain is forced to extract it from the noise. Underneath all those flowing organic curves lies something rigid, a disciplined mathematical grid. Vertical and horizontal lines lock the canvas down like scaffolding. This creates a relentless visual friction. You have the organic topographical loops resembling brain folds or cellular tissue trying to break free while the underlying grid tries to contain them. It's a battle between systematic logic and psychological chaos. Now look at the center. Notice how those massive forms don't just separate, they reach toward each other. In the negative void, two heads are leaning in, conjoining in a desperate kiss or collision right at the central pinch point. They share the same nervous system. The nested ovals act like eyes, staring outward and inward at the same time, giving the entire piece a sense of shared hyper-awareness. Mitosis Neurosis was an investigation into intense psychological interdependence. 10 years later, the question still holds: what happens when the structures merge? Let me know. Thanks.